Hello, here's another bitter gourd recipe. You just use the other step that I had to make the bitter gourd not bitter, which is to soak the bitter gourd in some salt, sea salt, and a little lime juice for like 15 minutes. Then you do whatever you want. So here's another recipe. I have tomatoes in here, onion, bitter gourd, and spices. And my spices are ginger, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and parsley. And one last one is rosemary. So I just let that cook in there, and then I'll add ackee to it. When you buy ackee in a tin, you just take it and you drain it out. So I'm just letting that marinate. And then when it don't take long to cook, just a few minutes. It's easy cooking. Let that marinate in there. And then I just add the ackee. You add the ackee in here. And don't stir the ackee too much because they'll get crumbly. If you like it crumbly, it's okay. Just coat it with the other ingredient. I'm coating it, and then it's done. Ackee tastes like eggs to me. Anyone can eat it. You don't have to be Jamaican to eat it. I'm not Jamaican. I'm just saying you don't have to eat it with saltfish only. You can eat it any other way. You could even use it in the blender and make it with like a smoothie or something. But today I'm just eating it with bitter melon and tomatoes and onions and garlic powder, ginger powder, cumin powder, cayenne pepper, parsley, and rosemary. And let's see, that's about it. I don't want it to get all messed up. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day. I'll enjoy my meal now. So this is bitter gourd with ackee. Thank you. Bye. Oh.